this video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Drive file uploads from a form with smart folder handling and optional AI analysis. We'll build a clean, reliable workflow that begins the moment someone submits your form. That form submission is the trigger, capturing the files your users upload along with the folder name they provide. Think of it as the handoff point. The form collects the inputs, and the workflow takes it from there automatically. Right after the trigger, we extract the folder name and store it in a variable. This small move pays off later, because every node in the workflow can refer to that single source of truth. Whether we're looking up a folder or creating one, we know exactly what name to use without duplicating logic or risking typos. Before we create anything new, we run a search in Google Drive for an existing folder with that exact name. This prevents messy duplication and keeps your drive organized. If the folder is already there, great, no need to make another copy. If not, we'll handle that gracefully. An if condition makes the decision easy. If the folder is found, the workflow routes straight to uploading the files. If the folder isn't found, we first create it, then continue. This branching keeps the logic simple and avoids unnecessary operations. When creation is needed, the create folder step ensures there's always a valid destination. The folder is built using the provided name, so your uploaded files will be grouped exactly as the user intended. Next, we prepare the files for upload. The preparation nodes convert the raw form uploads into a format Google Drive expects. They handle multiple files efficiently, preserving names and metadata so the uploads are consistent and reliable. With everything ready, we upload the files. Whether we're using the path for an existing folder or the brand new one, each file lands in the correct location. This completes the batch upload, giving you a repeatable process that works the same way every time. Optionally, you can continue with AI analysis once the files are safely stored. Send them to your preferred AI nodes to extract summaries, insights, or classifications. Keeping this as a follow-up step ensures storage is always completed, even if analysis is paused or rate limited. A few quick tips. Adopt a consistent folder naming convention, avoid sensitive details in names, and confirm your drive connection is authorized. That's the whole flow: trigger, extract, search, branch, create if needed, prepare, upload, and optionally analyze, so your form submissions seamlessly organize themselves in Google Drive.